How does the developer use it? Okay, so let's look at how some of these roles apply, really break down to optimize workflows between DevOps organizations and underlying infrastructure and operation teams. Okay, so the key message here is we want to empower the devs, give them the flexibility and the freedom that they need to do what they need to do at the cadence they need to do it. At the same time, providing assurance that the organization, that the overall underlying infrastructure, which provides support for the whole company, not just one developer team, maintains absolute integrity and stability of the underlying infrastructure, and adheres to all of the regulatory and corporate business requirements that are required of applications running for the infrastructure. Okay, first let's look at for the vSphere admin. They are able to continue to use the familiar tooling of vSphere while we're introducing new constructs into vSphere. The way that vSphere is managed from the infrastructure administrator side, they're not the infrastructure admin is able to use those common tools for visibility, for troubleshooting, for support, for defining operational policies, right? While at the same time we're exposing new types of interfaces, primarily for DevOps users to be able to consume, allowing the vSphere admins to continue to leverage their experience, their training, support, get things up and running, and when they start deploying these brand new types of services, they're able to do it in method, bring things into production through the interfaces that they've been knowing and supporting for production grade enterprise operations for years. The supervisor cluster empowers those native Kubernetes interfaces and APIs to empower DevOps developers and DevOps teams to have a new developer self-service interfaces that we know are exactly the type of interfaces that developers have been asking for. Really, still in this stable footprint that provides the assurance to operators and the freedom to developers. Okay, so in summary for vSphere with Tanzu, really, it provides native integrated both Kubernetes services, but in an enterprise architecture that can automate and deliver the type of interfaces and the type of experience that we know developers want from infrastructure provider, and really empower the vSphere administrator to set the bar and really meet the demand to delight developers on how they can interact with infrastructure capabilities. At the same time, we're providing vSphere administrators with the assurance that they need.